Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to make the Windows Defender icon visible in the Hidden Icons area on your taskbar. First, look at the bottom right corner of your screen where the clock is. You will see a small arrow pointing up. This is the Hidden Icons button. Click on it. A small panel will open and show all the apps that are running in the background. If Windows Security, also called Windows Defender, is already running, you should see a shield icon there. If you see the shield icon, Windows Defender is running. If you want to place it on your taskbar, go to the search bar and search for Windows Security. When the result shows up, right-click it and choose Pin to Taskbar. This way, the icon will always stay visible without opening the Hidden Icons menu. If you do not see the shield icon at all, here is what to do. Click the Start button, then type Windows Security and open it. Once it opens, it should automatically run in the background. You can then check the Hidden Icons panel again. The shield should now appear. If you still do not see it, right-click on an empty area of your taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. Scroll down to the section called Notification Area and choose Select which icons appear on the taskbar. Look for Security in the list and switch it on. The shield icon will now always be visible in your taskbar. That is all you need to do to show Windows Defender in the Hidden Icon area. Thanks for watching.